So I landed here in Honolulu about an hour ago. Picked up this 2021 Indian Challenger Dark Horse, and I'm just waiting for the rain to slow down or stop or figure out where I'm going to go. It looks in the video that it's not raining too hard, but I mean you can see the rain on the cars and things. So gonna just kind of hang out, and then I'll try to find some scenic roads. Well, unfortunately, the rain never stopped, so I ended up riding about 45 miles to the Marriott Courtyard in Laie in the rain. When I got there, I was cold, I was wet, I was tired, so I basically just called it an early night. The next day, I got up extremely early and went for a run down to watch the sunrise at Laie Point State Park. I had breakfast at the Polynesian Cultural Center next door to my hotel, and then I had my meetings at BYU Hawaii. After that, I just loaded up the bike and took the long way back to the airport. The ride was pretty, but honestly not that exciting. If you're going to Hawaii, I'd recommend the road to Hana on Maui or the Big Island of Hawaii. If you're planning a trip over there, those places seem to have, in my experience, more scenic roads. Still, this trip was way better than being in a rental car. And as for the bike, I genuinely enjoyed riding it. I wish I had more time with it. It seemed like a really capable highway cruiser, a little bit overpowered for the roads I was on, but I really did enjoy having that adjustable windshield, especially in the rain, and the power locks on the side bags actually came in really handy, parking the bike outside at the hotel. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.